Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this particular video, we are going to be discussing a custom indicator named Forex Invincible Signal Indicator. Now, in as much as the name is Forex Invincible Signal Indicator, I want you to know that there is no signal indicator that guarantees 100% accurate signals. All right. Now, in as much as the indicator is an effective one, it does not guarantee profit. Okay. The indicator is nice, but profit is not guaranteed. Like every other strategy out there, like every other indicator out there are always chances of losses. Okay. That's the reason why Forex is a risky venture. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. It's a custom indicator, so if you want to download it, you can look for a reputable site such as the MQL5 marketplace, or you can try out Indicator Spots if you can't find it on the MQL5 marketplace. After downloading it, you can then add the indicator file to your MetaTrader indicators library. After that, you'll have to restart your terminal before you will be able to use the indicator on your chart. Okay, so this indicator is quite interesting because it actually gives you a lot. All right, in addition to the fact that the indicator shows you arrows that indicates buy and sell zones, buy and sell signals. In addition to the fact that the indicator shows you those buy and sell signals, the indicator also gives a lot. All right, it also gives a lot. Now, how do you make use of this indicator to identify very good trading signals, both buy and sell? Whenever you have a blue arrow below the candlesticks pointing upwards, that is a buy signal. All right. On the other hand, when you have a red arrow pointing downwards, that is a sell signal. So in this case, we had a buy signal, right? We had a blue arrow form below the candlesticks, and this was a buy signal. So we would have considered entering a buy and setting stop loss below that swing low. All right, and then for our take profit, we can see that the indicator automatically gives us resistance and support zones. Okay, so even if you are not very familiar with plotting support and resistance zones, although it's very easy, you just have to look for points of reversal, points of rejections, minimum of 2 points of rejections, and there you go. So long as you have minimum of 2 points of rejections, you already have a level there. When it is above price, it's a resistance. When it is below price, it's a support. Okay, so this indicator automatically plots those levels for you, given current price movements. Okay, it's going to plot the levels with the current price activity. So if you had entered a buy here, you can just exit your buy at the site of the resistance level plotted by the indicator. Okay, so you're going to set your stop loss below the swing low and take your profits at the resistance zone identified by the indicator. In the case of a sell, when you enter a sell trade, you can set your stop loss right above the swing high, and you can take your profit at the site of the support zone identified by the indicator. So it's quite a straightforward strategy, right? Now, in addition to the signals given by the indicator, both the support and resistance zones and the precise buy and sell entry points, you can also make use of trend lines, make use of other indicators as well to confirm your entries and your exits. For example, if you are making use of trend lines, then you are going to know the direction of the trend. For example, this is a sell trend, right? This is a sell trend. So if you want to trade in direction of the trend, that means you'll be looking for just sell opportunities. But if you are a scalper and you want to trade both in the direction of the trend and against the trend, then you can exercise caution when trading against the trend and take advantage of the counter trend signals given by the indicator. Okay, now how do you make use of other indicators to confirm your signals? For example, if you decide to use the stochastic oscillator to confirm, you can actually use any other indicator, like any indicator of your choice you can use to confirm your signals. Okay, now this At this point, we had a buy signal, right? We had a buy signal at this point. And we can see that around that point, we had a bullish crossover from the stochastic oscillator. So right after the bullish crossover happened, we can see that the price of the asset, being GBP JPY in this case, rose up. Okay, so this stochastic oscillator gave us a confirmation signal around this point. And in the case of a sell, we can see that we had the trend line. This is a bearish trend line because it's showing lower highs. So this is a bearish trend line. So the trend line actually gave us a sell signal, but the Forex Invincible Signal Indicator didn't exactly give us a sell signal here, but it gave us a sell signal here. All right. So the sell signal came after the sell from the trend line, the sell signal from the trend line. In addition to that, we can see that the stochastic did not exactly confirm the sell at this point because it was in the oversold territory. So to be on the safer side, we should have stayed out of this particular trade, unless if you had entered the sell here after you got the signal from the trend line. But since we are talking about the Forex Invincible Signal Indicator in this video, then we should ideally be looking for signals from this indicator and then confirming the signals with other indicators or other tools, right? So in this case, we should have just stayed out because the stochastic did not confirm it. The stochastic is showing that the price is already oversold. The asset is already oversold. It's in an oversold condition. So there could actually be a reversal at any time. Okay, there could be a reversal at any time. It's even possible that the reversal has already started as the stochastic oscillator is already trending upwards from the oversold territory. Okay, so now that we've talked about how to make use of this indicator and how to confirm the signals, let us talk about the risk management. When you are trading, ensure that you observe good risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and also use good risk to reward ratios. Never trade with an amount you can't afford to lose. In addition to that, do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one particular trade. And then in terms of risk to reward ratio, I would recommend 1:2. If you are risking $1, your potential profit target should be $2. Okay, so that even if you have the same number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.